In this video, I'll guide you through how to block Google Drive spam so you can keep your files and folders safe and clutter-free. If you've ever opened Google Drive and seen random documents or folders that you don't recognize, especially from people you don't know, that's often a sign of spam or unwanted sharing. The good news is that Google Drive has a built-in way to block those senders, and it only takes a few moments once you know where to look. First, open Google Drive in your web browser or in the app. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that's receiving the unwanted files. This is important, especially if you manage multiple accounts, like one for work and one for personal use. You want to be sure you're working in the account that's actually being targeted by the spam. Once you're in Google Drive, look at the menu on the left-hand side and go to the section labeled Shared with Me. This area shows all the files and folders that other people have shared with you, even if they're not in your main My Drive section. Spam and unwanted content almost always shows up here first, which makes it the best place to review what's been shared and decide what you want to keep or remove. Take a moment to scan through the list and find the suspicious file or folder. This might be something with a strange or misleading title, a file from someone you don't recognize, or something that just doesn't look relevant to you. Be cautious about opening anything that seems off, especially if it sounds too good to be true, looks like a promotion you never signed up for, or has a file type you weren't expecting. When you've identified the suspicious item, move your mouse over it and right-click on the file or folder. On a touchpad or a mobile device, this might mean tapping with 2 fingers or using the equivalent gesture to open the context menu. This menu gives you several options that relate specifically to that shared item. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Block User. Selecting this tells Google Drive that you no longer want to receive anything from the person who shared that file or folder with you. It's more powerful than simply removing the file because it stops future items from that account from reaching you in the first place. After you click Block User, you'll see a confirmation prompt. This is there to make sure you really want to block that person, because once you do, you'll stop receiving new shared files from them. Go ahead and confirm that you want to proceed. As soon as you confirm, Google Drive will block that user and they won't be able to share additional items with your account. From this point on, you should notice less spam coming into your Shared With Me section from that source. You can repeat these same steps anytime you spot another suspicious file or folder. Just open Google Drive, go to Shared With Me, right-click the unwanted item, choose Block User, and confirm. This simple habit will help keep your Google Drive more organized, safer, and reserved for content you actually want to see.